know how to start my videos anymore. Okay, hi everyone. So it's been a little bit. It's been a while, and I wanted to come back on here and do something simple. So I think I'm just gonna be doing my everyday makeup routine today. Yeah, I'm just gonna be doing my makeup that I do every day. I don't know if I want to do it as a voiceover. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do a voiceover because I want to watch YouTube. But I'm getting ready for work right now. Just my makeup and my hair. I have a lot to catch up on, to catch you guys up on. So I'll do that in a separate video because right now I'm just kind of in a rush and I just want to get this done. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into the video. Enjoy. Okay, I'm still not good at voice recordings, but right now I'm starting off moisturizing my face with the Clinique Moisture Surge, and then I am going in and spraying my face with the Heritage Store Rose Petals Rose Water. Here I am priming my face with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I just put this all over my face, mainly where I have the most blackheads or pores. And this is one of the best drugstore primers that I have pretty much ever tried. Here I am using the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. I don't know how I feel about this yet. I feel like it has done good for my skin. I know some people don't like it, but I like it. Here I'm just spooling out my eyebrows with the e.l.f. Duo Eyebrow Brush. Now I'm going to be going in with the LA Girl Brow Pomade in dark brown, and with this what I like to do is I like to spoolie my eyebrow hairs up, that way I can really get to like the edge of them, and I like to just line a line at the bottom of my eyebrows, and then I like to brush my hairs down and then do the top edge, and then I take the excess from the top and the bottom and then I just fill in my eyebrows. My eyebrows have been through a lot throughout the years, and they're still not good, but they're getting there. But then what I do is I take the spoolie side and then I just make sure I go in and blend out everything and blend it to the front of my eyebrows to give it kind of that ombre effect. Now I am taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Light Ivory, and I'm just carving out my brows. And as you can see, I just got the concealer in my brow, so that's fun. But with this, I am taking the Morphe M432 brush. Now I'm just taking my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge and I'm blending that into my skin just to give it a more seamless look. Now I'm taking the e.l.f. Wow Brow in the darkest shade. And this is kind of like a gel, like a tinted gel, so it keeps the hairs in place as well, just gives it an extra tint. Now I am using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 415. And this does not match my neck. I will tell you that right now before y'all come at me. But it is one of the best foundations I've ever tried from the drugstore. It is full coverage, it lasts all day, stays matte. Same thing, going in again with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in Light Ivory. And with this, I'm just highlighting the under eyes, tip of my forehead, bridge of my nose, and my chin. And over top of that, I'm going to be going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fairest. And since this is so light for me, I'm just using this as an extra highlight. Blending that in with my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. You know the drill, this is the best sponge ever.
Now we will go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to stay.
Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier powder and I'm kind of baking, kind of setting my under eyes as well. I'm just using this with the same sponge, and I am only putting that on my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. And I put that on and let it sit for a little bit, but I cut out the part where I let it sit. But now I'm just wiping it away with a Ulta blush brush. Now I am using the Makeup Revolution pressed powder in the shade Lace, and I'm setting the rest of my face with that. So now I'm taking a really small detailed flat brush. I'm lining my eyelids with the shade Cypress Umber from Modern Renaissance, and this just is to give it the effect of a liner, but it's not too harsh, not too intense, just like a regular black liquid liner would be. So I'm just lining it and then taking whatever's excess on there and winging it out a little bit. And now I'm taking a detailed brush from Real Techniques and kind of like shadowing that out more, blending it a little more. And now I'm taking NARS Climax mascara and covering my lashes. And those lashes I used were the Chris Alex Cosmetic lashes in Striptease. He is such an amazing lash seller. Love him to death. I have so many lashes from him. And now I'm bronzing my face up with the Physicians Formula bronzer. Now I am just blushing myself up with the Buxom blush in the shade Wonderlust. And I used to not really like blush, but now I love it. I don't want to go without it. But I just blush up my cheekbones, my nose, and my temples, and a little bit on my chin. So now I just set my face with my MAC Fix Plus, and I'm highlighting now with the two shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette, the original palette. And I'm also taking those two shades and highlighting the inner corners of my eyes to give it a more brighter look, make it look like I'm awake. And going in with that same NARS mascara to coat my bottom lashes. So now I'm taking the NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso, and I'm just lining my lips pretty much. That's just it, I'm lining them. I kind of overline them a little tiny bit, but not too much. But now I'm taking the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Lace Detail, and I'm kind of just giving it like an ombre effect. And with this, I'm going to take my finger just to kind of blend it in a little bit more so it's not too harsh. And that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go like, comment, and subscribe, and follow all my social medias down below. That'll also be in the end screen. Thank you guys for watching.